In 2019, Minde Heating set sail in Tianjin. In the same year, Tianjin Huilide new material was established, which officially started the internationalization of Minde Heating. After years of hard work, Minde Heating has become an enterprise focusing on the research and development, production and sales of OEM floor heating piping systems. It has 92 sets of imported PE-Xa pipe production equipment, 5 sets of oxygen barrier equipment, and 2 sets of PERT pipe production equipment. The annual output can exceed 60 millimeters of floor heating pipes, and it has reached strategic cooperation with many well-known brands in the world. Its products have been delivered to Germany, Russia, Spain, Australia, Singapore, and other countries, and have been unanimously recognized by the market praise. Focusing on quality management, committed to building a century-old brand, Minde Pipe Industry has successfully passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification, and CE Ghost certificates in the same industry, achieving seamlessly connected with international quality management. In order to fully integrate the products into the international market, Minde adopts the 6S factory management system, integrates the advanced production technology with the perfect international management concept, and produces green floor heating pipes comparable to the world's first-class factories. From the selection of product raw materials to the control of production processes, from product sampling inspection to pre-delivery inspection, Minde Heating strictly controls every production link to ensure that product quality meets the exceeds international or industry standards. In addition, the Product Quality Testing Center composed of first-class hardware testing facilities, such as raw material MFR, hydrostatic pressure, cross-linking degree, finished products, which can meet the requirements from raw materials entering the factory to the physical and mechanical properties of the product leave the factory or inspected to ensure that each pipe is of high quality. PE-Xa series pipe materials are mainly made from LG SL188 and Load 8100GX imported from South Korea, and our company has directly signed a long-term supply agreement with LG and Load. We have always insisted on using imported raw materials only. The pipe produced with traditional process of plug extrusion way has smooth and uniform inner and outer walls and stable performance, which further prolongs the service life of the floor heating pipeline system. PE-Xa EVOH is a high-end product of PE-Xa pipes. The oxygen barrier layer uses 2 imported materials, Basel 3060 and Salerno A4412B. In terms of appearance, PE-Xa EVOH can be customized in a variety of colors, and the outer wall is more transparent and can play a very good role. Oxidation: the more beautiful the pipeline, the longer the use. PERT is one of the traditional floor heating pipe series. Our company mainly uses LG SP980 imported from South Korea as the only main raw material, and its performance is even better. Stable, better compressive strength. The PERT oxygen barrier pipeline also uses Basel's glue and Salerno's oxygen barrier layer, which adds an effective barrier to the oxidation of the pipeline. High-quality products and professional OEM services are our greatest promises to our customers.